Hey guys, welcome to our channel Student Impulse, a unique channel to help job seekers, both freshers and experienced professionals. It also helps students to get to know what the skill set they have to improve during their studies, which lands them a dream job after their education.
In this video, I am going to share latest job openings in Udupi location. It is from Karnataka. Let us discuss one by one in detail. So, firstly, there is a job opening for social media marketing intern. So, it is from H&E Foods. Coming to eligibility, the candidate must have accounts on FB, Instagram, and LinkedIn and WhatsApp, and must be able to work a minimum of 4 hours per day, and he should be having desktop or laptop with internet connectivity. So these are the eligibility criteria, and coming to key responsibilities, the candidate will have to share their content on various social media platforms with sales as target, and also should have to get genuine followers for their social media accounts, and also the candidate have to work in accordance with the provided procedure, and also create awareness among people about the brand and product offered. So these are the responsibilities, and the internship, the duration will be minimum 2 months, and they are going to provide some compensation based on the performance, and also the candidates are going to get the certificate assessment codes for all the interns, and the candidates are going to get some perks, that is performance based stipend on the sales generated, and also certificate and letter of recommendation. So interested candidates, those who wants to are looking for the internships, it will be the good opportunity. So if you want to apply for this internship, the link is available in the description to apply, so you can go through with the link. One, there is a job opening for consultant radiologist. So it is from Manipal Health Map. Coming to highlights, dedicated MSK MRI exposure, a wide spectrum of challenging musculoskeletal cases on a daily basis, oncoradiology, gastroimaging. So these are the highlights, and you are going to get some perks like SR-ship, senior residency certification at KMC, inclusion into the fraternity of eminent radiologists of health map across the nation, and periodic clinical meets and brainstorming sessions. So these are the perks you are going to get for this consultant radiologist position. So interested candidates, if you want to apply for this position, you can check in the description for the link. There is a job opening for sales executive. It is from 8 Space Broadband, and coming to requirements, the candidate looking for an energetic executive to lead their sales effort by reaching the right customers, and the ideal candidate should be able to speak Hindi, Kannada and English, and would be responsible for driving sales in Udupi and Manipal locations. And with a 1 week training in sales, the executive will be able to reach customers efficiently and convert them into long-term users of their service. So these are the responsibilities for the sales executive position from 8 Space Broadband. So interested candidates, if you want to apply for this position, you can go through with the link. It is available in the description. Next one, there is a job opening for customer care executive. It is from 8 Space Broadband. So they are looking for a well-spoken executive to lead their customer care team, and the person would be responsible, responsible for closely working with their customers, so to take in technical support and new connection requests. And the ideal candidate should be able to speak English, Hindi, and Kannada, and 1 week rigorous training program will ensure that the executive is able to handle the customer and resolve problems quickly. So these are the responsibilities for this customer care executive position. Interested candidates, if you want to apply for this position, you can check in the description to apply. That's it in this video, guys. If you like the video, please like, share to your friends and family members who are in need of job. And if you have any queries, please comment in the comment section, and please encourage us to do more videos in your location. Thank you for watching the video.